Hope rises with every dawn. Energy pulses through the morning light, flowing through kitchens, moving through towers, awakening cities, and reaching into the future. With the DH200Y, Dyness empowers smarter storage, peak shifting, smoother operations, self-consumption, steady and strong. Western benchmark, seamlessly scalable. Smart and green, efficiency redefined. DH200Y, engineered to reshape the energy landscape. Listen to what they say.
The customer agree has a big issue with lack of grid.
Στην αναγκαστική, θεωρητικά, αποθήκευση ενέργειας σε συστήματα
Hombre, nos sorprendieron gratamente. Vino un equipo muy profesional, muy a la altura de lo que esperaba.
As energy gets smarter, business gets stronger. As demand grows, innovation continues. Dyness unveils its next-gen C and I storage solution. Join us at SNEC Shanghai and see the future together.